Good morning, this is Mark Harrison with Sewer Line Check Professionals. I am here at 13211 Cumpston Street, Sherman Oaks, and I am preparing to perform a video examination of the main sewer line for Tony Mustantuano. The main sewer line is the portion of the waste drainage piping that is exterior to the structure. It lies underground and connects the building drain line system to the public sewer. The building drain line system then is the portion or portions of the waste drainage piping that is underneath or interior to the structure. Our examination today is not focusing on the building drain line system, so if further evaluation is desired regarding the building drain line system, a licensed plumbing contractor should be contacted, or a specialty building drain line video examination can be set up through our office. So I am going to be beginning my examination today from this 3-inch clean-out access that's been installed just inside the left side sub-area access here. Gas meter, this is our left side of our structure. Towards the back. Just inside they've put a clean-out tee on the main building drain, and then this is essentially going to push straight out the front of the house and exit that front left corner, and then it does make a turn and run over towards the garage and intersects with another branch of the main sewer line system that services our kitchen, laundry, and the other bathroom. So we'll need to get the camera in that way somehow. But we'll go ahead and take a look at the primary sewer line from this point out to the public sewer from here, and then we'll reset wherever we have to look at that other branch. Pop the cap off here. Up into the main drain. I'm going to push through 20 feet of pipe or so to get outside. Now we're pushing through the original cast iron building drain here. Now, this is not the focus of our inspection today, but it does seem to be pretty typical wear and tear for a cast iron pipe of this age. Alright, so here we are exiting the front of the structure and connecting up to our vitrified clay main sewer pipe. Reset our counter here, get a good idea of the length of this primary branch. So as soon as we exit the structure, we're going to make a 90-degree turn, and we're heading across the front of the structure towards the front porch. And we're going to intersect back up with that other branch here, turn 90 degrees, and then run straight out across the front of the garage. I've got some water running in another bathroom, and you can see that it is coming down this line here, so it is a live line. Heading across the front of the garage now towards that right side driveway area. Now, we're inside an original vitrified clay piping. This is a very common piping material for main sewer line systems. This type of pipe does have a long service life expectancy. It's a natural material, so it's not expected to deteriorate underground like the metal pipes do, but it is more brittle in nature and does have a higher potential for damage during seismic activity or earthquakes. So what we're looking for are any significant cracks or breaks, offsets, or separations of the joint areas. Alright, so we've come around 180 degrees of bend already, the two 90-degree turns, and now we're coming into a 45-degree turn to the left, heading out into that left side driveway, and now sweeping it back around to the right. So we're kind of zigzagging our way out towards the street here. And now we're turning back to the left 45 degrees. And this looks like where we're changing from our 4-inch pipe up to our 6-inch pipe. And we're seeing some, looks like root intrusions here. A little bit closer look at that. It actually looks like it might just be the mortar at that connection. A little hard to tell. Yeah, it looks like it might be mortar at the connection. That's not really an issue. It's not considered an intrusion of any type. Now, main sewer lines are supposed to have cleanouts after every 135 degrees of turn. So this branch in particular, if we were to put the main sewer line clean out on this one, we would far exceed that 290s, and then the 445s, about 360 degrees. So possible we may need to recommend more than one clean out. And you can kind of see why it gets very difficult to push the camera. But more importantly, that's just the standard that was set for these main sewer line systems. So far the line looks pretty clean. Haven't seen any significant cracks or breaks. Slight shifting of some of the joints, but that's not a concern. There doesn't appear to be any compromise to the integrity of those joints. And so far no root intrusions to speak of. Coming up on the turn that's going to drop us into our public sewer. Right here at about 70 feet from the right front corner. Alright, I'm going to stop the recording and I'll reset my gear. I'm going to try the waste vent on the roof over that laundry area or guest area bathroom, and I'll see if we can drop down there and get a look at that short branch, and then we'll look at that and wrap up the video for today.